Hello guys, how are you doing? Crypto Yalla is here. So I'm going to take a look at the crypto market in this video. I'm going to remind you what we were talking about last video, and we will make our prediction what could happen in the next week. So let's start. Today we will take a look on Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'll take a look on S&P. We will see how S&P is closing very strongly, and maybe one more coin. I don't want to make this video too long because it's Friday evening, so it's time to relax a little bit. It was a nice week. So let's start. By the way, on this weekend I'm going to make one more or maybe two interesting videos. So subscribe, hit the bell button, and don't miss. It will be very interesting about one feature in this in this tool for traders called TradingView. So stay in touch. Okay, let's start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is closing pretty strong after this huge rally. So I'm going to remind you that we have had 5 weeks of upside only, so it's more than 1 month up only. Obviously 1, 2 or 3 even weeks staying here in some kind of small range is not a bad sign. It's mostly a good sign. If we will consolidate here, I'm pretty confident, so we could get another push to all-time high. Another thing is how we will break this all-time high, whether we will break it with a spot bidding, or we will get some futures huge volume and futures huge open interest, and probably we could get some punishment of late longers here for the first time, and only from the second attempt we will break this resistance. So we will see. Anyway, so this week we stayed in the monthly range. In the last video I showed you how to build these ranges and how to assess them and how to trade them. So we stayed in this range during all this, let me choose 4 hours. We stayed in this range since Monday. So we formed this range of how many percent? Almost 5%. So it's pretty nice range, not very tight. So it was possible to trade it. And even here was a nice moment when we swept this range. You see, we swept a little bit this support. So it was nice sign to go long here, at least for a short term. My long-term view is pretty bullish for now, as we will take a look on S&P 500 next, and I'll show you S&P 500 is closing pretty nice. So it gives me a hope, and hope is a bad word for trader, but it gives me more confidence so that we could get some more legs to the upside. For now we are staying in this range. I'm expecting us to be traded during the weekend tightly. Pretty sure we will stay in this range till the end of the week, and we will get another range on Monday, after Monday. So we will obviously will assess our our possible movements after Monday's close. For now, pretty good upside potential, pretty good close. If we consolidate here for a few more weeks, not a big deal. As long as we stay bullish on S&P, as we stay bullish overall, risk on markets, I think risk on approach is pretty acceptable here. Okay, let's dive to Ethereum. I remind you, Ethereum has been punished and has been hated for almost since all this year till the mid of April. Ethereum, it was a pain. It was hated pretty much by everyone, and it gave a lot of shorters went short on Ethereum. A lot of traders went short in the hope of it will go down more, and we got this huge God candle to the upside. One day we had 20%, and another few days another 20%. So yeah, pretty much it was driven by those shorters that were forced to close. Just a reminder, if you are short a token or a coin, and if you are exiting your position, it's actually you are buying. You have to buy in order to exit a short. So that's why it triggered such a huge move to the upside. But I have to admit that we are consolidating here, and actually this target was my target on in the last videos. So go and watch where I was talking about this 2,500 target for Ethereum. And for now we are consolidating here. If we consolidate here, in my opinion, if we consolidate here more and go up this resistance for now, we could get another leg to the upside. So Ethereum now has potential, so be aware of this. Let me make this more brighter. Okay, let's take a look on S&P. Our S&P is it has been at resistance last week. I was talking about it during my previous videos, and after we broke to the upside this resistance, I'm expecting, and obviously after Trump made a so-called deal, even though it's a temporary deal with China, but anyway, for 90 days we got some relief. And to be I have to say, to be fair, I'm expecting these 90 days to be bullish. So till August, pretty much till August, yeah, till this August, I guess we will have good times. Yeah, we will have good times. So this support turned into this resistance, previously resistance, turned into support after we broke to the upside. So expect it act as a support here, and I think we will get another push to the upside, at least to the previous highs at 6,141 for S&P. So for now it's bullish. Let's see. Yeah, obviously, for sure. So that's a mega bounce for S&P, 23%. So yeah, not any cases, not any things to afraid of here. Obviously some minor consolidation or some minor correction is to be expected after such a huge move to the upside. So but to me it's a buy. Obviously it's not a financial advice, but to me it's a buy on the pullback. So yeah. Okay, let's jump to maybe hype, and we'll see what we have here. I have big bags of hype, so don't be I could be biased here, so don't be surprised. But anyway, it's a huge platform, huge DEX. It's not only DEX. It's as a founder of Hyperliquid, Jeff Hamilton is saying, so his motto and his end game, his end goal is to finance the whole world. So with the help of this platform. So Hype, it's a utility token, internal token, and you see it had almost 200%. It's crazy. But to me, it was crazy actually, this dump, because there was no any fundamental reason for this kind of dump. But anyway, it was a nice opportunity to buy here, because stupid people, in my opinion, were dumping without thinking, or they were forced to dump. I don't know. But anyway, and just a reminder, after this kind of move, obviously around 200%, it would not be surprised to get some consolidation, some minor correction. Obviously, the most bullish case scenario, we consolidate here at top at 23 to 28 dollars per harp, and more deeper pullback. In my opinion, it's also a good opportunity. Obviously, make your own, do your own research. Useful links we will find in the description. For this DEX, you'll find also, I think I will leave my my referral link. If you use it, you will get a nice discount for fees. If you don't use it, you will not get the discount. So the decision is yours. Okay, and try this platform if you still didn't. If this trained you, it's a nice platform. They are making nice features I found lately. So if you are interested, give this video a like, and I will make more deeper mini tutorial for this platform. Okay, that was it for me for now. Have a nice weekend, and I think one more video or two videos on the weekend you will get from me. Thank you guys. Bye.